In waste management, uptime means everything. From pickups to processing, reliable equipment keeps operations moving. When issues happen, speed matters. UpKeep lets crews report problems instantly. No calls, no delays. Instant alerts help maintenance teams act fast, keeping routes on track and downtime low. With UpKeep, repairs are logged and tracked in real time, from fix to follow-up. On top of that, UpKeep Intelligence is helping teams turn data into smarter decisions, spotting patterns, surfacing trends, and unlocking new ways to stay ahead of failure. Preventive maintenance keeps your fleet ready, reducing breakdowns and surprise costs. Stay compliant and audit-ready with digital logs and safety reports, always within reach. From the field to the fleet yard, UpKeep powers safe, smart, and efficient waste operations.